This image was generated by GPT. This one was made with Leonardo.Ai and this insanely awesome picture was created by Grok. Hey everyone, welcome to the Tenorshare AI channel. Today, we're diving into the wild world of AI image generation, seeing how Grok can help you create jaw-dropping images and sharing some tips to make your work stand out. Ready? Let's go. Section 1, Getting Started with Grok. How to access Grok. Want to try Grok? You'll need a premium or premium plus subscription. No free lunch here. Once you're in, click on Grok, type your prompt, and let it do its magic. Simple, right? But the real trick lies in how you write your prompts. Let's dive into that next. Section 2, Crafting the perfect prompt. Clear and simple prompts work best. The clearer your prompt, the better Grok performs. But when it comes to generating real people or brand-related images, the accuracy can be hit or miss. But with a clear prompt, Grok shines like crazy. This picture is freaking awesome, right? Check out this vague prompt. The image it generated is totally bland and doesn't grab any attention at all. Key takeaway, keep it simple and Grok will shine. Section 3, Adding scene and details. Go big with scenic shots. When you're not generating faces, packing in details makes a huge difference, especially for landscapes and large scenes. Try this. The result? Stunning. Details are your best friend. Section 4, What's the best AI combo? Not satisfied with Grok? Supercharge it. Grok is great at image generation, but what if you need more? Many pros combine multiple tools for unbeatable results. For example, use deepseek to analyze large documents. Use ChatGPT to brainstorm ideas and expand content. But wait, there's something even better. Tenorshare ChatPDF. This tool revolutionizes PDF processing, lightning-fast reading, AI-powered summaries, and designed for research papers, reports, and legal documents. It breaks down complex content into clear, concise summaries, and best of all, it's completely free. Imagine this. Grok generates images while ChatPDF helps you instantly understand PDFs for inspiration. Productivity doubled. Ready to create your AI masterpiece with Grok? Whether it's stunning visuals or effortless document processing, this combo has you covered. Give it a try. Also, test out Tenorshare ChatPDF. It makes working with PDFs a breeze. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Share your Grok creations in the comments. We'd love to see them.